Hello guys, welcome to another episode of KCM. I'm so sorry my hair looks like this. I have just done a wash and go and today is first day hair. I also don't know why the front of my hair looks like this, but this video is not going to be on that. I bleached my eyebrows about maybe a month ago, and as you can see, it doesn't look as blonde anymore. So I have decided to bleach them today. This is my first time bleaching them myself. So you guys are gonna see me bleach my eyebrows. Hopefully it's not a fail. I feel like I can do it. I have confidence in myself. And since they've been bleached before, I don't think it's going to take that long for them to bleach again. So let's get started, guys. Wow, I'm gonna be blonde again.
Okay, so this is the stuff I pretty much used last time. Sierra left her bleach and Karishma left her developer over my house. I have a little cup, a spoon, I have a spoolie, and I have purple shampoo to tone. So let's do this thing. I'm kind of nervous, but not really. I'm excited. I'm excited to do something on my own. I don't think I need that much bleach. Let me just read the instructions first and foremost. And guys, I'm not using Vaseline because last time I used Vaseline, I didn't end up getting the bleach on my eyebrows. Like, it was just too many spots and I couldn't deal with it. So I'm going to put, what, like 2 scoops in here? Maybe even 1 scoop. Maybe not even 1 scoop. Okay, I think this is enough. I put like literally a little bit. I don't think I need that much bleach, guys. I'm literally covering my eyebrows. Take the developer, this is 30. So I do know the higher the developer, the faster it's going to like change colors. Since I'm doing my eyebrows, it doesn't need to be extremely high. So I'm just gonna put a bit of developer in here. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in more bleach. Oh my god, I have to sneeze, I have to sneeze, I have to sneeze. Oh my god, I have to sneeze so bad. Guys, I hate the smell of bleach. Luckily, I haven't smelled anything yet. Ooh, the smell came, oh my god. The worst smell I've ever smelled in my life. This is my consistency now. Oh my god, the smell is horrid. So, oh my god, no, I have to pour it. Once again, there's still some blonde there, but I think I'm gonna focus more like here. So first things first, as I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows, brush through them. As you can see, like right here, there's still a bit bleached, but I'm just gonna put it all over my brows. I'm gonna focus more on the dark areas. Dip my little spoolie in, and then I'm going to brush against my hair. What did I say I was gonna? Oh yeah, I'm not putting on any Vaseline. So this might burn. It's flickering everywhere, oh my god. Okay. Guys, I didn't want to like re-dye my brows only because I was so scared that I was gonna like get patches and stuff. So like I decided to wait until they really needed to be re-dyed because I didn't want any hair loss. Like my eyebrows are very, very thin, as I've shown you guys before. I just couldn't. Imagine me walking around literally balding with my brows. I literally barely have any. I look scary. I look so scary. So I'm like skipping here because it's still blonde there. Now I'm just trying to see if there are any like hairs that I'm missing. I definitely want to get under, so I'm gonna raise like. Okay. This is what I've done so far. This is how it looks. I'm gonna keep this on for maybe 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wipe it off and then we'll check back on the color and everything. It's kind of starting to burn. So I'm in the light and I can see that I did not get some spots, so I'm just going to do so right now. This looks crazy. Okay guys, so like I said, now that I put everything on, I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then I'll check back with y'all. Yeah, I might leave this on. Oh, actually never mind, because I see the black stuff that I was looking at before, it's turning now, so never mind. I was gonna say I might leave this on for another 5 minutes. I have 2 more minutes to go. There's like some black hairs, but honestly I could just tweeze that. But for the most part, everything kind of looks like it's dyed, but I'm gonna give it some time. It's what you've all been waiting for. I have 2 pads wet with water and I'm just going to wipe this off. Oh, it looks good. Trying to not get it into my eye or I will die. Now we're gonna do this one. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, this looks way better than what I did last time. I think I'm glad I kept it on. Oh yeah, this looks way better. I have some spots that are like black, but honestly, I don't really care. This looks good. This looks really good, guys. This looks really good. This looks so good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom now so we can put the purple shampoo on and tone these brows because they're very like brassy. I'm so sorry for the amount of light in here, guys. We literally do not have any lights in our bathroom. For what reason, I'm not sure. So Rish left her purple shampoo, and last year actually Karishma used to have bleached brows and I used to have red hair. And now, well, not anymore, but she had like copper hair and I bleached my brows. Twins. So I'm literally just putting a little bit of the shampoo on. And honestly, you can use the spoolie, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna put it on my brows, Mo. The shampoo. Lather it on. Alright, so doing that. Oh! Dang, I'm so sorry, the light in here is ass. So ass. Yes it is, yes it is. So my skin looks really great. I'm just going to clean a bit. Now I look like I'm a clown. So, another 10 minutes. Let it do its thing. It's just gonna tone it a bit. If you guys don't know, a lot of people use purple shampoo when they're bleaching any type of thing, whether it be their hair, their brows, their butthole. I lied. But people use purple shampoo in order to get the brassiness out. The brassy color. Oh, this is even worse in this light. We're going to leave this on for 10 minutes. Timer went off. Time to wipe. So, guys see? It's not so brassy anymore.
So usually I put conditioner on after, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to put a bit of my Carol's Daughter moisturizer. I mixed some of my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. I'm putting a bit because this is a heavy cream. I'm just going to put it on my brows. And I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I just want to lock in moisture, and this is how I keep my brows healthy. So in order to keep them healthy, I just put a bit of cream on them every day after I get out the shower. And then I finish with avocado oil. So my hair loves avocado oil. It's the best oil I've used so far in terms of like just an oil to seal in my products, or I don't know. I have low porosity hair, but my hair is also very, very fine. My hair doesn't like any heavy oils, and this is a really, really light oil. So I always just put it on my brows. And yeah, just let it sit and do its thing. But guys, look, so this is how it looks. I kind of like it before I put the purple shampoo on, but whatever. Every time I bleach my brows, it just looks more and more like I shaved them. It's so sad. I really wish I could show you guys how I look like without my hair looking like this. You know what? You guys have seen me cute on this channel before. Please completely disregard my appearance in this particular video. So yeah, these are my bleached brows. They look really good. I think because I like upkeep them so much, they look really, really good. I might have missed some spots. You can see like down here, I missed some spots, but honestly, I don't really give a fuck. Like, I can easily pluck it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys are going to bleach your eyebrows, please make sure that you upkeep them. Anybody who has thin eyebrows like me, make sure you moisturize them every day. Make sure you're putting an oil over top of them every day, not a heavy oil. You want to do that so you're not balding. You're not having like spots. Your eyebrows are not falling off and they're not dry. So yeah, just how you moisturize your normal hair, you wouldn't, you know, just bleach it and never moisturize it. Do the same thing for your eyebrows. And also read the instructions and research before you dye your eyebrows. That's exactly what I did before. And yeah, guys, like, if you're trying to dye your eyebrows, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye, guys. Yes, I'm still videotaping, Dad. It does. Dad, can you let me do what I need to do?
Yeah, I haven't given you permission to use my likeness.
Your what?
My likeness.
Your what?
I haven't given you permission to use my likeness.
I don't know what that means.
That means I can sue you if I'm in your video.
Well, you're not in my video. That's the whole point.
I'm talking to you.
I don't want you to be in my video, though.
In the video.
Dad, please.
And I'm suing. What are you doing? Just see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
I don't want. Can you please go so I can wipe this off my face?